Hello everyone, welcome to Getaroundcars online showroom. Now if you're looking for a proper 4-seater convertible, you really need to come along and view this one. This is a well-kept secret. Not many people have ever seen one of these cars before. It's our 2015 15-plate Vauxhall CASCADA. It's the elite model, it's the top of the range, 2-litre CDTi turbo diesel, 2-door, 4-seater convertible, 6-speed manual. Come and take a look. It's absolutely stunning. The level of equipment on this vehicle is unbelievable. So let's just start with the alloy wheels, which are in great condition. If you look right inside, it looks like the discs have recently been replaced as well. Beautiful red calipers. All the wheels, all the tyres are in good condition. Crystal clear headlights. Extra driving lights in the front. Look up to the screen, we've got tinted glass. Now a lot of convertibles say that they are a 4-seater, but they're not. They have 2 little dicky seats in the back. This has 4 full-size passenger seats. I'll show you every wheel as we go around. Again, you can see those bright red calipers, and the alloy wheels are in good condition. We've got side repeater indicators on the wing. Door mirrors are colour coded to match the body. If we look inside, this is where the fun starts. We've got full leather upholstery, full black leather upholstery. Now the level of equipment, let's just do it nice and slowly. Got electric windows, front and rear. Electric mirrors. On the steering wheel, we've got cruise control, speed limiter, Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, volume control for your radio. Looking right inside, it's got colour, satellite navigation. It's got DAB radio, air conditioning, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 6-speed manual gearbox. The seats are absolutely wonderful. You've got calf support. These are these extensions which come out to give you extra support when you're driving on a long journey. The sill is in great condition. There's no damage, there's no scuffs. It has a full-size wind deflector. This also drops down, and you can also take it out completely to give room for your passengers in the back. 2 rear seats, which also have ISOFIX seat fixings for children's seats as well. Put that back. If we just stand back and view it from a distance, it's a beautiful looking car. To the rear, fuel filler cap, by the way, is on the driver's side. Again, the alloy wheels are in good condition. We have rear parking sensors. Now if I open up the cargo area, you just press the little button and it comes up. Now when the hood is down, obviously the boot space or the cargo area is restricted a little bit, but that applies to sort of most convertibles. But if you press this little button just at the side, right, that will drop the seat down on the passenger side, or there's also one on the driver's side, so you can load all the way through if you've only got 2 passengers. Very, very practical. but from every angle it just looks gorgeous. Now if you were to compare this to, I don't know, a Mercedes or a BMW, you'd be talking twice the price. For what? For a badge. Whereas this has got all the toys, and normally you find there's a lot of more prestige cars tend to be basic cars anyway, because everything is all added on. Everything on this is all standard. This is the elite model. Right, fuel-wise, that's always important. The CO2 rating is 138. Your road tax is only £190 a year. Fuel-wise, urban you can expect 44.8 miles to the gallon, extra urban 61.4, and combined 54.3. It's got a 0 to 60 figure in 10 seconds. It's got a great service history. There are 7 services in the service book, but it's just a car that's got everything on it. Let's look on the passenger side. Just imagine if you pulled up outside a luxury hotel in this car. There'd be people looking at you all the time. To get into the rear, what do? You pull the lever, and it goes forward. You can get in very, very easily. The wind deflector comes off, and you also have a little mini wind deflector as well. The hood is all electric. So let's just summarise. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, volume for your radio on the steering wheel as well, heated seats, heated steering wheel, leather upholstery, full service history, back seats will drop down for extra load area, alloy wheels, electric hood, wind deflector. Just goes on and on and on. And there's probably some things that I've missed which I should be telling you about. But there's that much stuff on this car. DAB radio. And of course, satellite navigation, which is colour. So if you're interested, pick up the phone, give me a call. Like I say, if you were going to buy a Mercedes or a BMW, you'd be paying twice the price of this car for a less standard of equipment. So, you know what to do. Come along and see it. It drives exceedingly well. The hood is all electric. It's just a bit of value for money. Let's be honest, we all need that every now and again. But if you're looking for something special at an affordable price, this could be the vehicle for you. So, pick up the phone, give me a call. My name is Jim from Getaround Cars, where cars cost less. You can call me on 07710 85 8066. Thank you for watching.